selling him for $500, and his cage costs $20, and his toys cost $5. And call if you want to buy him. Call us 672-6031, and then talk to us, and then you'll get your own dog. And
What kind of toys does he have, or what kind of tricks can he do?
he can sit, he can stay, he can lay down.
Can you make him?
He can roll over and really like dog.
Can you make him do some of these tricks?
Winston, come. Winston,
Can you make him do some of these tricks?
sit. Sit. There's his Winston sit.
Very good.
And then here's Winston's leg. Winston, come. Sit. Winston, sit.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh my gosh.
Shake. What? Winston. Oh. You need to really, for if you want him to lay,
Yeah.
you need to have a treat, and then when he sits, you have to grab it, put it at his chin, then move it to the ground, and then if you want him to roll over, you have to do a roll over like that.
You gotta look at the camera if you're trying to sell them on the internet. Now,
Yeah,
why are you selling them? Can I ask you, Mr. Little Boy?
because I'm selling because I wanna buy a bird, and birds are my favorite animals.
Okay.
So I really love birds.
So you want to get rid of your dog?
Yeah.
Is he trouble?
A little bit. Not
What,
very much.
what kind of trouble does he get into?
If he sees people right by him and he doesn't know him, he gets kind of nervous.
Uh-huh.
And then if he sees a person or a car
Uh-huh.
that he knows, he'll chase him down the street.
Okay.
And
But-
if you want, you can take him for a bike ride.
Really?
You have to keep him on your hand, and you'll have to grab the handlebars,
Uh-huh.
and then you'll have to keep your hand tight, and then you'll have to say Winston, heel,
Okay.
and then he'll walk with you.
Oh, wow. That's pretty good. Now, does he ever go to potty in the house or anything like that? Ever?
Well, you need to teach him that, because he doesn't really know that. He's not understand that.
Okay.
So you should really put him outside 5 hours a day.
5 hours a day?
Yep.
Okay. Now, you gonna walk him to the end of the driveway and try and sell him? Okay, take him out there.
Then heel.
What, did you get any bites yet from anybody?
If he doesn't know him, he's honest, and then he starts
Okay. So you're gonna sell them today, you think?
if they don't sell him,
Mm-hmm.
out of 5 days, I'm gonna keep him for 5 more months. And I'm
Okay.
so,
What do you think, Winston? Are you ready to go to a different home? You ready to leave this home? Never come back here? Okay. Does your mama know you're selling your dog? What do you think she'll say if she finds out you're selling your dog? She'll be a little confused?
yeah.
Why?
She's really used to my dog.
Uh-huh.
And then she's really freaked out when mom comes home.
Really?
If he could hear the car coming in
Yeah.
from your garage,
Yeah?
and then he'll go wild at the door because he'll hear your car
Really?
in the garage.
Okay. Well, I don't know if you're gonna have a chance to sell them or not. You could see if you want to get rid of them. Okay. Good luck.